grade homework practice 12-4. We're using different tools to measure. So Derek measured the gift box in inches and in feet. The gift box is about 11 inches long, and the gift box is about 1 foot long. So it's the same box, but if you measure in inches, it's 11 inches or it's 1 foot. It takes more inches than feet to measure the gift box because an inch is a smaller unit. If you use smaller units, you need to use more units. Circle each object using different units. Circle the unit you need more of to measure each object. So here's the sofa at your house. The sofa at your house is probably about 6 feet long or about 2 yards. So do we have more feet or more yards? We have more feet because feet are a smaller unit. Here's the table. We're measuring how tall the table is. The table is about 40 inches tall, or it is about 3 feet. So what do we have more of? Do we have more inches or more feet? We have more inches. And again, your measurements are going to be different than mine because I'm doing them at my house and you're doing them at your house. Okay, let's go on to the back page here. Trina says that her dollhouse is about 8 yards long. Is Trina's estimate a good estimate? So this is a dollhouse, not a real house, a dollhouse. It says 8 yards. Well, I know that 8 times 3 is 24. So this is going to be 24 feet. That's like as long as our classroom. That's a huge, huge amount. That's too big for a dollhouse. So is this a good estimate? No, because 24 feet is too long. And again, you can put it in your own words. Okay, higher order thinking. Sarah wants to measure the length of her math book. Should she use inches, feet, or yards? Explain. So in this one, she could use inches on this because it only goes up to 12. Most books are not going to be higher than 12 inches, and she can get a more exact measurement. So you can put this in because if she uses a yardstick, this is really big. Most of us don't have books that go all the way. This is huge. So that's going to be too big. So I would say she should use inches because the other tools will be too long. Okay, our assessment. Which unit would you need the most of to measure the height of the umbrella? So we want the most. Okay, most means smallest unit. So let's see which one's the smallest. Inches, feet, yards, or they're all the same? Well, first of all, they're not all the same. Yards are really big. We would need probably just 1 yard, but we want the most. We would probably need about 3 feet, but we'd probably need about 36 inches. So we need the most in inches to measure. Okay, and number 6, our assessment. Which is the best estimate for the length of a pen? So you're going to just estimate about 10 yards. Oh my goodness, that's going to be too huge. About 5 feet, that's like how tall I am. About 6 inches, or about 10 inches. So let's see, is a pen closer to the size of an entire ruler or a little bit smaller? I think a pen is normally about the size of half a ruler. So about 6 inches is our best estimate. All right, great job, everybody.